I see the number 27 here, but it is in the denominator, okay? It is at the bottom. And I have another number here, 81. Let's think about how we can prime factorize 81. 81 comes in the table of 9. We know that 9 squared is 81. Now 9 is the square of 3. I can express 81 as the fourth power of 3 because upon prime factorizing, I'm getting 4 3's. So instead of 81, I can write 3 to the power of 4. Similarly, think about 27. 27 comes in the table of 9 again. 9 into 3 is 27. And you know 9 is 3 squared. 3 into 3, 9 into 3, 27, which means 27 is 3 times. 3 times 3. 3 to the power negative p is given to us. We can keep that as it is. You multiply that. 27 is at the denominator. So instead of 27, I should be writing 3 cubed. Note that wherever the 27 is, I put the number there itself. And 81 is nothing but 3 to the power of 4. Now, you know, when the power is at the bottom, when you want to flip the number, so 1 by 3 to the power of 3 basically means you can flip the number 1 by 3 to 3 by 1 and make the power opposite. Why did we do this? Is now we should be able to use the law of exponent. Two same bases being multiplied, we'll add the powers, so minus p minus 3, that is the sum, and 3 to the power of 4. If you look at this, 3 to the power of minus p minus 3, I cannot solve it, equals to 3 to the power 4. So this is the power this side and 4 is the power this side. Because I have two things equal, equal means everything should be equal both sides. Bases are same, then powers must be same, or powers must represent the same value, which means minus p minus 3 equals to 4, giving me p equals to, how can I solve from here is p being negative, I'm sending it to the other side, so it becomes minus 3 minus 4. So or you can just do minus p equals to 4 plus 3. Either ways you can do it and still get the same answer. So upon solving this finally, p equals to 4 plus 3, 7. So because of negative p, my answer is negative 7. So this is how I find any missing power in an exponential equation or anywhere where both kind of things are involved, like, you know, negative powers or flipping the powers, whatever it is. Everything is involved in this question. These questions are very helpful for your exam prep.